Hello and welcome to a great bountiful cucumber harvest today. We have our trellis here, which I planted up both sides of organic cucumbers, and they're doing exceptionally well this year. We had lots of rain, but that was a bonus for cucumbers this year, and we're going to have a fantastic harvest. I first started planting seeds along the trellis, but a lot of the cucumber vines came out onto the ground, so we're going to start harvesting them first. A group here of 4, and another group here of 3, and a couple in the back. So let's start harvesting them. Another group here on the ground, and let's get them all set. We're even going to get some of the small ones. Wow, lots of cucumbers. I'm glad I got a good way to store most of them. They are just bountiful this year. Wow, I haven't even gotten to the trellis yet. This is all that's on the ground. Even more. Wow, this is what happens when you don't pick cucumbers for 7 days. Oh, here's a massive one. This is going to be great for cucumber juice. Here's a couple tucked away at the bottom of the trellis here. Wow, awesome. A couple on the ground still. This is what happens when you don't get to them. They get over ripened. We'll feed them to a couple of animals. Unbelievable. They're not easy to spot all the time. Now, this one, I did a separate video on this. See how this curves? That is due to pollination. It did not pollinate correctly, but it's still tasty. A couple more. Hidden away here. So this is what I got so far, and I haven't even started going up the trellis yet or even to the other side. This is just on the ground. So this is the area I've been picking from. It's about 4 feet wide and about, let's say, 10 feet long. And I just had to stand back. I see a couple more over here. Perfect size. We'll throw them in there. Oh, a couple more. Awesome. I think I gotta get another tray. So I went to go get my pickup truck so I can carry them up to the house, which is about 300 feet away. And this is just amazing how much they came in. I believe, I'll double check, I'm pretty sure I'm right. I only planted up 12 cucumber seeds in groups of 3. And this is what I got from one side of the trellis already, and just the bottom part, like it says, not the top part of the trellis. Again, the weather this year was perfect for cucumbers to grow. I planted them later in the season. I do never rush to plant cucumber seeds early in the season. You'll get hit by a lot of insects and also diseases from those insects to the cucumber beetle that will go after that. Now, I've learned to be patient and wait and plant these a little later in the season. And you can also plant them as far as maybe say July 1st, and you'll still get a decent crop. It might be smaller, but it's going to work out just fine.